Welcome to this video walkthrough of a first floor Nahant, one bedroom, no broker fee. All right, this is the main entrance, or the front door, I should say, to the apartment. You got a little corridor or space here to hang some coats, hats. All right, we walk directly in and we have an open space living room kitchen. All right, some nice features in the kitchen: granite countertops, stainless steel. Appliances, at least with the dishwasher and the gas stove, built-in microwave, not matching white refrigerator. That's okay. Open range gas stove, always welcome feature. We have cabinets up top, all right, and then we have this living room, decent sized living room. Closet over here, good sized closet. And over here in the corner, we have the bathroom. All your standards. We have a sink, vanity, toilet, shower, tub combo. All right. And we have a little window over here. As I did mention, this is on the first floor. A couple of windows. Little parking lot back there. Beautiful day out there in the hunt. And we walk into the bedroom. Good sized bedroom. All right. Plenty of room for a queen size, even maybe a king size. More beautiful windows. All right, more closet spaces and windows here. All right, and a door that'll take you out onto this little patio deck situation. There's laundry on site, coin operated. Off-street parking available, and again, no broker fee. All right, hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. If you have any more questions or information that you would like, reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com for more info. Have a good one and happy hunting.